There's good news tonight about the shop owners across America working to make wedding dreams come true for frontline healthcare workers. Damilka Gonzalez is on the front lines of the coronavirus pandemic. She works at 2 Massachusetts hospitals caring for COVID patients, even though her asthma makes her high risk.
I was very scared, but you gotta be there to take care of people.
She was financially supporting her parents who lost their jobs during the pandemic and planning to get married in October.
I'm getting married and I gotta plan a wedding. And it's like, where do I even start?
I love the lace.
That's when she heard about Brides Across America.
I saw, we're giving out a free dress for COVID-19 workers. And I was like, this can't be real.
Heidi Jansen started the nonprofit in 2008 to give free wedding gowns to military and first responder brides. Now she's expanded her mission to help healthcare workers say yes to the dress.
This is what we are about, is supporting those that support us on a daily basis.
They've partnered with 65 salons across the country that contribute dresses themselves or receive donated gowns from the organization. When Damilka tried on her dress, the strain of the last few months melted away.
It did make me feel special. It did make me feel like a princess.
I did cry.
And when she learned it really was on the house, she was overwhelmed.
I started crying. All of those not sleeping nights, all of the stress, all of the overwork, it made it all feel like worthy. It made like all the hard work and to just feel like, you know what? This is it. This is your moment. You earned this dress.
For Jansen, it's about helping those who risk their lives to help others.
My heart went out to these nurses and the doctors. I mean, everybody that really participated in the care of a loved one. I think they're heroes.
Damilka plans to donate her dress back to the organization after her wedding.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.